In questions like question number 9, Aman borrowed rupees 3,000. Means this is the principal actual from a money lender at 5% simple interest for 2 years. So it is very clear that we have to find the simple interest on the principal of rupees 3,000. When the rate of interest is 5% simple interest, time is 2 years. So find the simple interest then, which is PRT upon 100. Now principal is 3,000, rate of interest 5, time is 2 over 100. So rupees, these zeros will be cancelled out, 13 and the 300. Rupees 300 is the simple interest. Now read again. So this is when Aman borrowed the money lender, being too wise, deducted the interest. Interest is rupees 300, so he has deducted it from rupees 3,000. That would be due at the end of the period. Means this is the interest for 2 years, but money lender deducted this interest initially. He is too wise that he has deducted the interest initially. So the money which is handed over to Aman equals to, these terms are nothing to do with the concept of compound interest or the simple interest. It is clearly written in the question. That's why we have subtracted. The money which is handed over to Aman by money lender is rupees 2,700 only. Now, what happened? He deposits the entire amount. He means Aman deposits the amount in a bank. Aman went to a bank and deposited the entire amount in a bank, which pay 5% compound interest. So when Aman deposited in bank, so can you tell what amount he has deposited? Which was given to him by money lender. Money lender paid him only rupees 2,700. So this is the principal, rupees 2,700. Rate of interest is 5% compound interest, and he deposited it for 2 years. It is clearly written in the question. Deposited the entire amount in a bank which pays 5% compound interest. So first, for first year, he finds the interest on this principal only. P1RD by 100, that is 2,700 into 5 into 1 by 100, rupees 135, which, and now we find the amount of due at the end of 1 year, which is obtained by the formula principal plus interest. Now the principal is 2,700, interest is 135, so amount is rupees 2,835, which will be the principal for second year. Amount for first year will be the principal for second year. No need to copy it. Okay. Now we will find the interest for the second year, which is P2RT by 100. P2 is 2,835. Rate is 5 into 1 over 100. 140, 175. 14175 decimal after 2 digits. So rupees 141.75 is the interest for second year. So what will be the amount after 2 years? It will be obtained when we add principal 2 plus interest 2. Principal for second year was 2,835 and interest for second year 141.75. So add them to get rupees 2,976.75. Okay. This is the amount after 2 years. So money we add to pay back the debt. 3,000 he has to pay. And from bank he received rupees 2,976.75. So on subtracting it is rupees 23.25. Okay. Means he has to pay rupees 23.25 and we have to find it in nearest rupees, I think. So he must add rupees 23.25 and in nearest rupees only rupees 23. 25 paisa छोड़ देंगे. Okay. So practice this question also, very important question in compound interest. This way it can be solved easily. Okay. So I'm ending today's all sessions. Solve the questions which have been discussed and ask if you have any doubt in comment box.